Most people throw this away, but tuna can oil can become fuel. Collect it carefully, you'll be surprised what it can do. Take a strip of tissue and start twisting it gently. You want it to be firm, like a small wick, about 2 inches long. This simple step will soon turn into real flame. Carefully place the twisted tissue into the tuna oil. Make sure it reaches the bottom. You're actually building a small emergency stove, using stuff from your kitchen. Now wait. This part takes time, but it's important. The oil needs to soak deep into the wick. While we wait, think about this. What if your power goes out, or you're outdoors with no fire? This tiny can might save the day. Oh, and while you're waiting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Gently pull the wick up about an inch, then place the lid back on top. It holds the wick in place, just like a real lamp. Grab a lighter, and carefully ignite the tip of the wick. Boom, just like that, you've got a homemade oil burner, and it works beautifully. Look at that flame. It burns clean, steady, and for a surprisingly long time. This isn't just a fun DIY, it's a real-life survival tool. Use it for camping, blackout emergencies, or even just a cozy vibe at home, all from a simple can of tuna. And one last thing, always be careful when using fire.